Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to fix Telegram verification code not received. So let's get right into the video. Sometimes while logging or after logging, if you want to enable something, you might need a verification code from Telegram. Sometimes Telegram's this server crashes and it doesn't send you the verification code on time and you might get logged. So for this, you have got a cure. So go to your Chrome browser and search for Telegram help. Here you get to Telegram help center or support center. Here all you have to do is give your email address with which you have opened up your Telegram account and your phone number, and you must describe your problem. Or currently our problem is we are not getting our Telegram verification code, and you just have to submit it, and hopefully Telegram will contact you with via email or SMS within 24 to 48 hours. And then you must get your verification code. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.